Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sayantani, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I managed to cook 5 healthy Indian meals in just 1 hour. We don't get much help here in the US as much as we get back in India, so we all try to be more efficient and more productive so that we can enjoy our life with our friends and families. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm gonna use rice cooker, electric pressure cooker, and my regular cooking gas in order to finish my power cooking. I'm also going to use some pre-cut vegetables that will definitely save some time. First, I'm gonna make dal, which is actually mixed lentils from Ankur. I'm gonna take a moderate amount of it, not too much, and wash them well. After that, I will use my electric pressure cooker to cook it. So I will add a little water into it with the dal. There is no such rule that you need to use a certain amount of water. Then I'm gonna add a little turmeric powder, salt to taste, black cumin seeds, ghee, a green chili. Now cover it and let it cook for 6 minutes in high power. Meanwhile, add some oil in hot pan and wait till the oil gets hot. You also want to prepare your ingredients handy so that you lose less time gathering them. While the oil is getting hot, I'm gonna peel a big potato and chop it in small pieces. You can use smaller ones, but then you will need more than one. The oil is hot enough, so I'm gonna add some cumin seeds. It will start sizzling right away. Then add a pinch of hing or asafoetida powder. After that, I will add my chopped potatoes into it. Then add a decent amount of chopped green beans into it. I'm using a pre-cut one here. That definitely saved my time. Then I'm gonna add some pre-cut carrots and peas and then stir them well. When you notice the oil is all over the surface, then start adding the powders. If that didn't make sense, I'm sure you can see what I'm doing. Now I'm gonna add around 1.5 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, red chili powder to taste, around 2 teaspoons sugar, salt to taste. Now stir them well for 1.5 minutes and cover it with a lid. Make sure the flame is not too high. While it is cooking, I'm going to utilize my time to make my spinach in another burner. Let the oil get hot. Meanwhile, I'm going to chop my onions into small pieces. The oil is hot enough now. I'm gonna add some black cumin seeds and a green chili into it, along with a pinch of asafoetida powder. When they're sizzling, add some chopped baby spinach. I just used the whole packet and then keep stirring well. Then add salt to taste. Don't add too much yet. Then a little turmeric powder and then stir well. Let me check how this meal is going on. It looks fairly cooked, but I want it to be softer, so I will just let it cook a little more. So my dal is almost ready. All I have to do is add the fried masalas. Then I'm gonna take a lemon, rub it against the cutting board and cut a small piece. In this way you will get more juice. Now just spread the juice on the mixed veg. Mix them well and you are done with your first meal. As I'm using shortcut method here, I'm gonna use this garlic salt powder instead of real garlic and sprinkle a little on the spinach at this point. And then stir them well and cover the pan. Now use the separate burner to start your next meal. Add around 3 tablespoons of butter in your hot pan. When the butter is melting, add some cardamom into it, then 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks, around 4 cloves, and stir them well. When you start to smell them, add whatever mixed veggies you have into it. Then I added 3 cups of washed rice into it and fry them in low heat. I need to add salt at this point so that there is no extra water. Then I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of sugar and stir them well. Our spinach is done. No raw smell at all. So there you go. You already have 2 meals and 3 more to go. Now I'm gonna pour the rice into my rice cooker container and add enough water to boil them. I just selected white rice mode and it will be ready by itself. We are almost done. Add some butter in a hot pan and then add a bay leaf. Then add half teaspoon of black cumin seeds along with some asafoetida. Then add some chopped onion into it. When the onion is almost golden brown, then add the whole thing into the lentils I boiled before. Then mix them well and your dal is ready. Just remember, I'm showing you a power cooking where I have to finish everything in 1 hour. So there will be lots of tricks. Now let's start the last meal of the day. Add some sesame oil in the hot pan. Then add some cardamom and cloves into it. While it is getting ready, chop some onion into small pieces and add into the hot pan. Keep stirring. When the onion looks golden brown, add some mushroom into it. I am adding pre-sliced mushroom here to save some time, of course. When the mushroom changes its color, I am gonna add a little bit of turmeric powder, cumin powder, and mix them well. After that, I'm gonna add a little bit of soy sauce and then mix it well. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of hot and sweet tomato chili sauce and mix it well. Then I'm gonna add some oyster sauce and this is optional. If you wanna use it, then try to buy this Dynasty brand. In my opinion, this is the best. Then stir them well. If it looks like almost done, add some sugar. When they look a little dry, add some hot water. Cover the pan and let it cook for a few minutes. After a few minutes, the water is totally gone and I wanted to make something dry and spicy. So there you go, my 5th meal of the day is also ready. All 5 meals are very healthy and I cooked them in just 1 hour. I really hope you liked this video and inspired by it. If so, then give this video a big thumbs up, and what kind of meals you are planning to cook today. Let me know in the comments down below. Become a subscriber if you are not already. Join this family. This place is super awesome and I'm glad you are a part of it. I love you guys so much. I will see you soon in the next one. Till then, stay well. Bye.